Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to find your SBI credit card number online. So I'm using this document to teach you practically and how to do this easy way method. So method 1 using the SBI card website. So go to the website itself. I have a screenshot on how it looks like. Should be looking like this. So again guys, go to the website and log into your account. Just going back on step 2 right there, open the application, enter user ID and password. So this ID and password should be created once you get your credit card on the bank. So access view card option, tap on the view card option from the home screen. In this one, you're gonna see the view card option as you can see right here, and then view card details. Using that one, you're gonna see your number. Under the authentication number or OTP or one-time PIN, just enter your one-time password to your registered mobile number. You're gonna get access to the view card option. And the method 2 right there, of course, guys, gives you the option to use it on the VIA application on your phone. Same drill, but this is via the application on your phone. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.